The QQE Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website, allows users to download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and implement it on charts EE. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, you select the indicator file and drag the file onto the chart to implement the indicator. Just make sure to pay attention to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Complete section, and then click the Confirm option. With the indicator being placed, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart for us. The QQE indicator is an indicator for trend detection and price divergence detection in such a way that when the black line, the slow line, crosses over the fast line, the yellow line, upwards, we can expect a price increase, and when the black line crosses over the yellow line downwards, we can expect a price decrease. In the settings, under the Input section, there are options available for us. The first part relates to the settings for the QQE smoothing calculation period, RSI period settings, moving average period settings for QQE calculations, upper threshold settings, lower threshold settings, and settings for calculating and displaying data on the chart. The last part relates to the theme or specific template of the indicator. It has 4 parts: auto, light, dark, and custom. By selecting the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with bullish candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. Selecting the light option applies a light template on the chart, a template that is placed on the 4 themes. Choosing the dark option selects a dark template, and finally, selecting the custom option retains your personalized template and only executes the indicator on the chart. Here, I choose the dark template, and then click the Confirm option. The dark template has now been applied to my chart, and the QQE settings window is displayed to us. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your thoughts and suggestions with us in the comment section.